Low-carb lasagna recipe, keto, cheesy, zucchini noodles, and zero guilt, gluten-free. Calling all carb-conscious, comfort food fiends. This Keto Dream Lasagna ditches the pasta but explodes with flavor, thanks to spiralized zucchini noodles and a rich, meaty ragu. It's gluten-free, low-carb, and feeds 4 hungry souls with leftovers to spare. Let's get saucy. Ingredients: zucchini noodles. * 4 medium zucchinis, about 2 pounds. * 1/2 teaspoon sea salt. * 1 tablespoon olive oil. Ragu. * 1 tablespoon olive oil. * 1 medium onion, diced. * 2 cloves garlic, minced. * 1 pound ground beef or sausage, pork, even lentils for vegan. * 1, 28 ounces, can crushed tomatoes. * 1, 15 ounces, can diced tomatoes, undrained. * 1 teaspoon dried oregano. * 1/2 teaspoon dried basil. * 1/4 teaspoon red pepper flakes, optional. * salt and pepper to taste. Filling. * 15 ounce ricotta cheese. * 1/2 a cup grated Parmesan cheese. * 1 large egg. * 1/4 cup chopped fresh parsley, optional. * 1 cup shredded mozzarella cheese. * fresh basil leaves, for garnish. Instructions. 1. Prep the zucchinis, using a spiralizer, create long, zucchini noodles, toss with salt and let sit for 10 minutes, then drain and pat dry with paper towels. 2. Cook the ragu, heat olive oil in a large pan over medium heat. Add onion and cook until softened, about 5 minutes. Add garlic and cook for 30 seconds. Stir in ground meat and cook until browned, breaking it up with a spoon. 3. Simmer the sauce, add crushed tomatoes, diced tomatoes, oregano, basil, and red pepper flakes, if using. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Bring to a simmer and cook for 15 minutes, stirring occasionally. 4. Make the filling, in a bowl, combine ricotta cheese, Parmesan cheese, egg, and parsley, if using. Mix until smooth. 5. Assemble the lasagna, preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit 190 degrees Celsius. Spread a thin layer of ragu on the bottom of a baking dish. Arrange zucchini noodles in a single layer, then top with 1/3 of the ricotta mixture, 1/2 of the ragu, and 1/2 of the mozzarella cheese. Repeat with another layer of noodles, ricotta, ragu, and mozzarella. Finish with a final layer of noodles and the remaining ragu. 6. Bake and serve, cover the dish with foil and bake for 30 minutes. Uncover and bake for another 15 to 20 minutes, or until bubbly and golden brown. Let cool for 10 minutes before serving, garnished with fresh basil leaves. Tips and tricks. * For extra veggie goodness, add chopped portobello mushrooms or spinach to the ragu. * No spiralizer? Slice the zucchinis thinly with a mandolin or knife. * Leftovers? Store the lasagna in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 3 days. Reheat in the oven or microwave. This Keto Dream Lasagna is proof that low-carb doesn't have to mean flavorless. Spiralized zucchini noodles offer a satisfying pasta substitute, while the rich ragu and creamy ricotta filling pack a punch of savory comfort. So grab your forks, carb-conscious friends, and dive into this cheesy masterpiece.